Hello guys, today I got two phones, Oppo and Vivo. I want to compare the specific of the Oppo A17 and Vivo Y22S. So let's go to see the inside. What are they? Right here is the setting. So let's go to see the inside. About phone. Alright, so what about the RAM of the Vivo 22S? The RAM is come with 4 GB plus 1 GB, and this one is also RAM 4G with 1 GB, but actually, sorry, wait a minute, no, I cannot touch on here, but in some other details of the phones say that they have 4 GB plus 4, but actually the inside of the phone is just 4 GB plus 1 GB, the same, they are the same right here. And what about the storage? The storage of the Oppo 17K is come with 64 GB. 64 GB right here. And what about Y22S? Vivo is come with 128 GB. So the storage of the two phones, you can see now the Vivo Y22S is is bigger than the Oppo 17K. 17. Oh, I may make a mistake of the name previously. I forgot what I said. Is it 17 or 17K? I'm sorry. So actually this one is Oppo A17, not Oppo 17K. Oppo 17 A17. Okay. And what about the battery? The battery of the two phones, they are the same. They come with 5000 mAh, but the USB is different. USB for the Oppo A17 is used with micro USB, and the Vivo Y22S is used with Type-C USB. So I think the Vivo is faster than the Oppo A17 for the charging. And what about the camera? The camera of the two phones are the same. Actually, the back is the main. It's come with double cameras, very big cameras, and the main camera is 50 megapixel, and the micro one is 2 megapixel. And the front camera, or the selfie camera right here, it's come with only 5 megapixel. Oh, sorry, the Oppo A17 is come with 5 megapixel, and the Vivo is come with 8 megapixel. And what about the scanner for the lock screen? It's come with the side fingerprints to unlock. They are the same. Yeah. Here is the scanners that you can use your finger to scan to unlock the phone. And what about the LCD? The LCD side, for the Oppo A17, it comes with 6.56 inch, and the resolution is 1612 with 720 pixel, and this one is also the same, 1612 with 1720 pixel HD. And what about the chipset? For the chipsets of the phone, for the Oppo A17K, it comes with the MediaTek MTK6765 Helio G35, and the chipsets of the Vivo is come with Qualcomm, Qualcomm SM62 and 25 Snapdragon and 6804G. So whatever, I think the price is different, but the specific is similar. But actually, the price is this one is A17K is $159, and this one is $199. But the storage of the Vivo, the Oppo A17 is only 64 GB, but this one is 128 GB. I think for me, I don't know what to choose, but actually the price is cheap and the specific is good, so please choose what you want to use by yourself. And thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See, what are they? Right here is the setting, so let's go to see